Hi guys, today we've created a beautiful kit and the kit is called, I named it, Moving Beyond Toxic Relationship Kit. I think that's great. A lot of people are in toxic relationships. So what are the crystals, incense and oils that I would recommend? Well, firstly, I would have gone for smoky quartz. Smoky quartz is a very powerful crystal to help you move forward in toxic relationships. It cleanses and clears the negativity from within the mind and the heart, and it absolutely strengthens you to be able to move forward. So that's what I'll put in the beautiful kit. I will choose a personal one for you, which will be anything looking like this, or something other than that, depending on how I feel about your energy. So that will be the first thing. The two oils I'd recommend would be healing and cleansing, totally. So both oils are going to be working with you through the next couple of 3 months, which is absolutely perfect. How would you use it? Well, cleansing oil, I would go mainly the back, round about the kidneys to the liver, and that's really good. That will help strengthen and clear away there. The healing oil is fantastic for anywhere, but temples, heart, stomach, strengthen, breathing in all the time, 3 times a day, and take your choice which one you want to use, or both of them. Cleansing negative energy sticks are the most powerful sticks I've ever worked with in my life. Using that on a daily basis, once before you go out and when you come back in, depending, 3 times a day, twice a day, depends how you feel. If you're feeling a bit bad, then use it more often. Again, take 1 stick out, split it in half, burn it, and then just around your body for 3 minutes. That's all you'll need, and that'll strengthen you. And obviously the aura sprays, both of them are perfect. So you'll get both aura sprays. The cleansing attachment is really strong sage, so you just squirt that around you. 3 sprays if you're feeling really heavy. 6 sprays, and that's it. The cleansing negative energy aura spray is as and when. If you're going out, spray. If you come back in, spray. And just through the day, just see how you feel. Listen to yourself. You've got the tools, work with them, and they will help you through that period of time. So the whole set, including that beautiful crystal, well, the total of that, you were roughly looking at around, depending on which crystal, which smoky quartz, but it's anywhere between 220 and 260, 270. So I'll do the whole lot at 150, and I'll include free DHL delivery, of course. So yeah, I think that's a nice one. I'll put 4 kits up, so I hope one of them's for you. Have a great day till tomorrow. Take care.